Hi, today we're going to look at some very basic functionality in Excel, multiplying one cell, row or column with another. To start with, left click in the cell you want to populate with a solution. Then press the equal sign on the keyboard and next left click on one of the cells you want to multiply together. Follow this by pressing the multiply sign or star on the keyboard. Then finally left click on the second cell you want to multiply in your answer. Press return or enter and the multiplication will populate the cell chosen. If you have two columns of data that you want to multiply together, simply perform the multiplication we've just run through, then highlight the cell with the answer in, move the cursor over the bottom right corner until a small plus sign appears, and then drag this down to the bottom row of the two columns of data. And Excel will repeat the formula you've just entered for the subsequent rows. With your data in rows rather than columns, follow the same procedure, performing the multiplication on the first column of the two rows, then once again hover over the bottom right corner of the solution until a plus sign appears, and drag this across to the last column of data. Thanks for listening. See you soon for more quick Excel hints and tips.